Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to delete data files PST and reset MS Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account to load in your emails. This initial step is necessary to ensure your account is active before we proceed with the reset process. Once your email has loaded, we're ready to begin the actual process of deleting data files PST and resetting MS Outlook. Start by opening your Control Panel. To do this, press the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Control Panel. After typing, hit enter and the Control Panel window will open on your screen. Now that your Windows Control Panel window is open, look for the Mail option. By default, this will be labeled with Microsoft Outlook next to it, so it should be fairly easy to spot among the other Control Panel items. Click on this Mail option to proceed. Once you click it, an email setup window will appear on your screen. From here, locate and click on the Show Profiles button, which you'll find at the bottom of this window. This button allows you to access all the profiles currently configured in your Outlook application. And here's where the main reset happens. To delete data files PST and reset your MS Outlook completely, you'll need to remove the existing profile that is currently linked with your Outlook. You'll see the listed profile displayed on your screen. Click on it to select it, then click on the Remove button. This action will delete your Outlook PST files and reset your MS Outlook to a clean slate state, essentially giving you a fresh start with the application. Any data stored in those PST files will be removed, and Outlook will behave as if it's being set up for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your data files PST and reset MS Outlook. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.